Alright, so we're asked to graph the function and identify the zeros. So if you use Desmos.com to graph 3x cubed minus 21x squared minus 54x, you're going to get a really big graph, okay? Which is what you see on the left-hand side here. Now, if you zoom in, you can find the zeros. So your zeros are at -2, 0, and 9. Next, you are asked to factor the following function. So we have x cubed minus 12x squared plus 35x. We can factor out a greatest common factor of x, and we're left with x squared minus 12x plus 35. I can factor that second half to get it broken down even more. So two numbers that will multiply to 35 but add to -12, -7, and -5. So my factored form is x minus 7, and x minus 5. In the next section, you are asked to find the zeros. If you set each factor equal to 0, that's what will give you the zeros, okay? So you have x equals 0, that's one of them. If you add 7 to both sides, you will get x equals 7, that's the second one. And then add 5 to both sides, you will get x equals 5. So your zeros is 0, 5, and 7.